How to withdraw USDT TRC20 from Trust Wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Trust Wallet, and then you just need to click on the search icon and search for USDT. Now after searching for this, make sure that all network is selected, or you can simply go for the Tron network. After selecting, you're just gonna need to click on it just like so, and if you cannot find, you can also add the USDT on the Tron network by going in manage crypto section. Otherwise, click on the receive option. Now if you want to receive from third-party crypto exchange, you can simply click on this copy button and simply paste the address with the TRC20 wallet address. Otherwise, you can click on deposit from exchange, as most people use Binance, so simply click on Binance, and then this is going to open up your Binance account, and you will going to be prompted on transfer USDT on TRC20 network address. So that's the easiest way of how you can withdraw USDT TRC20 from Trust Wallet.